This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 37 of Building the Robocop from Fanhome. We're continuing the right leg in this issue, so let's have a look through the magazine first and then we'll get to that. Capital controls the world. Yes, OCP, rule capital. It's in Detroit, isn't it? But that's not the capital. But I think they're based there, or I don't know. It's all to do with that. So feel free to pause and read if you so desire to read more about the world of Robocop. The building itself, we've got part 2 of the right thigh. We're putting some more detail on the part that we've already got. Then we're attaching the new part to that to give us our internal part of the hip. Looking good. I can get that built very, very soon. Looking at robots in nappies. Oh yeah, I remember this is like teaching it as if you're teaching a child. So it can learn, and robotic learning, artificial intelligence type thing. Interesting stuff. But yeah, I shall come back and read through these at my leisure. The ELT telescope. ELT, I don't know what that means, what it stands for. I'm sure you can read it and find out. Be electro something like a telescope, I don't know. But yeah, that will be interesting and obviously certainly robot controlled. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this bit built. I've been keeping this on the bench in hopes that we're going to be using it. We haven't yet, and we're not today. This is the part we've got today, another nice big internal hip piece, and the 2 decorative pieces that we haven't fitted yet. We're going to fit them now. They go onto there. There are 2 different sized pins. This one goes to the top with the thicker pin down at the back there. Only go that way round. Go over there. Use that one, and this one goes down there. Went in the same direction, but it's slightly tapered, that one. So that goes there. There we go. Cool. And then this attaches to it. That's the inside, and that's going to be the inside. So it's going to go that way round, like that. And there's just the 2 screws that we need to put that together with. It does go together, just like that. They supply us with multiples of these EM screws. We only need 2, so let's see how many I can get out of the bag. It's going to be 3. Yep, 3. So let's put 1 back in there. Keep that safe in case you need a spare. Grab my trusty screwdriver. And we shall get these together. Get one in so it bites, get the other one in to make sure everything's lined up properly. Good. Then we can get them both tightened up, tightened down, whichever is your preference. Make sure that they are secure. Obviously the hip will fit onto this, so you need to make sure it all holds him together properly or he won't be able to stand up. Doesn't really have a hero landing pose, does he? Doesn't really. I mean, he jumps down out of things. Certainly in the game, he jumps off of things. I don't know. Don't recall him. He gets knocked down to his knee occasionally, but it's not really like a not like the Iron Man sort of landing pose, is it? So there we go. That is that, nice and secure on there. Ready, I hope, next time to be assembled to the leg, because I don't like having lots of loose bits floating around. I like them all to join together. So that's that. Thank you very much for joining me on this. I shall see you for one more issue of this before my delivery is expired. So I'll see you for that in a day or 2. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.